I think I messed up by not joining Legiit sooner. Legiit is the freelancing app that's taking the gig economy by storm. And guess what? It's super easy to get started. First, create a killer profile. Highlight your skills and past work. Be clear, concise, and confident. This is your first impression. Make it count. Next, look for gigs that match your expertise. From graphic design to SEO, there's something for everyone. Apply with a personalized message. Show clients why you're the perfect fit. Here's a pro tip. Start with lower-priced gigs. Build your reviews and reputation. As your ratings soar, so will your earnings. And don't forget to promote yourself. Share your profile on social media. The more exposure, the better. Ready to make some serious dough? Download Legiit today. Your side hustle just got a major upgrade. Remember, the journey starts with a single gig. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Legiit and start earning big bucks now. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for more videos like this. Happy earning.